Welcome to the world of C programming. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concepts of variables and constants in C. Variables are named storage locations that hold values, which can be modified during the program's execution. Constants, on the other hand, are fixed values that cannot be altered once they are defined during the program's execution. Now let's delve into declaring variables in C. The syntax for declaring a variable involves specifying the data type, followed by the variable name. The data type determines the size and layout of the variable in memory, as well as the range of values it can store. The variable name must be a valid identifier, following the naming rules of C. Optionally, you can initialize a variable with a value at the time of declaration. It's also possible to declare multiple variables of the same type in a single statement by separating them with commas. Here are a few examples. The code shows basic variable declarations with integer age, float salary assigned a value of 5000.50, and character grade assigned a value of A. The code also shows declaration of multiple variables where integer x, y, and z are declared and z is initialized to 10 and double pi is initialized to 3.14159. Let's explore the common data types available in C. Numeric types include integer, float, double, short, and long. Integer typically occupies 4 bytes and can store whole numbers in the range of -2 billion, 147 million, 483,648 to +2 billion, 147,483,647. Float also typically occupies 4 bytes and represents single precision floating point numbers, having a range of plus or minus 3.4 e plus or minus 38 with 6 to 7 digits of precision. Double typically occupies 8 bytes and represents double precision floating point numbers, having a range of plus or minus 1.7 e plus or minus 308 with 15 to 16 digits of precision. Short typically occupies 2 bytes and can store whole numbers in the range of -32,768 to +32,767. Long typically occupies 8 bytes and can store whole numbers in the range of -9 quintillion, 223 quadrillion, 372 trillion, 36 billion, 854,775,808 to +9 quintillion, 223 quadrillion, 372 trillion, 36 billion, 854,775,807. Other types include character, underscore bool, void, unsigned, and signed. Character typically occupies 1 byte and is used to store a single character or a small integer in the range of -128 to 127. Underscore bool also typically occupies 1 byte and represents a Boolean value, which can be either 0 or 1. Void represents the absence of a type. Unsigned is a modifier that can be used with integer types to indicate that the variable will only store non-negative values. Signed is a modifier that can be used with integer types to indicate that the variable will store both positive and negative values. It is the default for integer types. Now let's explore how to use variables in C. You can perform assignment operations to assign values to variables. You can also perform arithmetic operations on variables, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Additionally, you can read input values from the user and store them in variables. You can also display output values of variables to the console. It's also important to understand type conversion, which involves converting a variable from one data type to another, either implicitly or explicitly. Here is a code example. Inside the main function, integer A is assigned a value of 5 and integer b is assigned a value of 10. Float result is declared. The result is assigned the value of a divided by b with explicit casting. The value is then printed to the console using the printf function. Let's explore the different types of constants in C. Literal constants are fixed values that are directly represented in the code, such as integer constants like 123 and -456, floating point constants like 3.14 and 2.5e-3, character constants like a and \n, and string constants like hello. Defined constants are created using the #define preprocessor directive. Constant variables are declared using the const keyword. Enumeration constants are defined using the enum keyword. Here is a code example. Using #define preprocessor, PI is defined as 3.14159 and max_size is defined as 100. Using const keyword, float gravity is defined as 9.8 and character newline is defined as \n. Using enumeration constants, enum days is defined with MONTUE, WEDTHU, FRI, SAT, and SUN. Let's see a complete example of using variables and constants in C. This program calculates the total cost of items, including tax. The code includes standard input-output library. It defines constant PI as 3.14159 and max_items as 5. Inside the main function, it defines constant tax_rate as 0.07, integer quantity as max_items, float price as 10.5, and float total. It calculates the total cost by multiplying price, quantity, and 1 plus tax_rate. Finally, it prints the total cost to the console using the printf function. In summary, variables store changeable values while constants maintain fixed values throughout program execution. Both are essential for creating efficient and maintainable C programs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.